Hey guys, IrwinTech here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Friday Night Funkin' WHITTY mod on your Chromebook. Before we start today's video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload brand new videos to my channel. Another way of supporting me and my channel is you can buy my memberships. They're linked in the description below. As always, or you can hit that little join button right next to the subscribe button and gain access to loads of monthly perks such as gifts, emojis, badges next to your name in live streams, and comments. You can also get a secret members only Discord and secret members only live streams. That's all for now. Let's just get straight into the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, you'll need to go to this website, which is linked in the description below as always. After you've gone to this website, what you want to do, there'll be 3 pages, page 1, page 2, and page 3. What you want to do is go to page 2. This website is full of mods that you can click on and play anytime in the browser. So basically, I'm going to be showing you how to play the WHITTY mod in the browser, and this is basically mod thing that you can go on and play every single mod, like the most popular mods that are out right now. There's 3 pages of tons of mods you guys can check out. There are 3 pages of tons of mods you guys can check out without downloading or installing Friday Night Funkin'. You just go to this website, click on the mod you want to play, and play it. Like I said, just go to page 2 and then go to the very bottom, versus WHITTY mod. Click on the link, and it will open a web version of Friday Night Funkin' that lets you play the WHITTY mod in the browser. Just give it a couple minutes to load up, and it will just start loading up on your Chromebook. Just give it a second, and then everything will load up. Just hit enter, and it'll say Friday Night Funkin' versus WHITTY mod. You can just hit enter, and it'll go ahead and start loading up on your Chromebook. Just wait for that. And then what you want to do to get to the WHITTY mod, you go to story mode. And then after you've selected story mode, what you want to do is go to week 1, then hit enter, and the WHITTY mod will load up on your Chromebook. So I'm going to be doing some gameplay right here of me battling WHITTY on Friday Night Funkin'. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this video. Now enjoy playing Friday Night Funkin' WHITTY mod on your Chromebook. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload brand new videos to my channel. Another way of supporting me and my channel is you can buy my memberships. They're linked in the description below as always. You can hit that little join button right next to the subscribe button and gain access to loads of monthly perks that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Also, another perk to subscribing to my channel is you can comment down below, I subscribed, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. So here are those people who commented down below, I subscribed. Go subscribe to their channel, search them up on YouTube, and show them some support. That's all for now, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.